Y'all are not gonna believe this shit. But I just realized on my drainage bag, it wasn't draining. They had the Velcro over across the fucking bag, strapped to my leg so tight that nothing. I was trying to drain the line, drain the line with the syringe. Take the syringe and put it on the end of the line and force it down, to clean the tube, the line, and it wasn't going down. I'm like, what the fuck? Why is it not going down? So I'm looking at the bag and I'm examining the bag, how they got it on there. And here they got this thing wrapped around the bag. On the bottom where the tube goes, on the bag itself. They got it wrapped right around there 3 times. No wonder why the bag was empty. My fucking God. So I redid the Velcro. So now it can drain straight on down into the bag. The last fucking 2 days. I can't believe this shit. So it's going in the tube, forcing itself into the tube, and stopping. Not going into the bag. See, this is what I mean. And they want to cut me open and do surgery. Just like the lady with the electrical things on my chest. She put each one on and took it off 4 fucking times. Ripping the skin off me, ripping the fucking hair on me. Kind of even giggling like she was enjoying it. I turned and looked. I said, maybe you want to plug in the wires? Oh, my bad. My bad. I'm like, Jesus fucking Christ. And then that one nurse lady, whatever, she came in there with a fucking attitude. Started yanking my fucking lines and yanking this around and pushing that around. And I'm like, whoa. Calm down. She looked at me like this. What do you mean by calming down? I said, well, I don't want to die here. She said, well, I don't want to be the one that kills you. And I swear to God, she's just going to punch me right in my face. I fucking told her, some other couple of nurses, and they told the manager, upper manager. Then the manager comes in there and asks me. I'm like, oh, Jesus, now I'm a tattletale? Well, yeah, I'm going to tell on somebody. When it comes to my fucking life, look out. YouTube Carl Kish, subscribe. God damn it, I ain't no fucking dumbass. Don't treat me like one. I ain't a fucking piece of meat that you can just fucking dice and slice and throw it in the incinerator and burn me up. No. You fucking respect me, alright? Respect me, goddammit. YouTube Carl Kish, subscribe. Don't want to piss me off.